Welcome to Project MFG's 2026 Clash of Trades. I'm your host, Jesse Trank, Senior Applications Engineer with Mastercam. Over 50 schools participated in this season's Machining Challenge, and only 16 teams moved on to the regional rounds of qualification. Today, we're at Greenville Tech in Greenville, South Carolina for the Eastern Regional Qualifiers, and this is just one of 4 stops on the road to Nationals. Only one team from each of the 4 regions will advance to Nationals for a shot to win $100,000. Get ready for some machining action. This is Clash of Trades.
We are Central Alabama Community College, and we are here to burn some chips.
We are the Kevin Dukes Career and Innovation Academy.
We're Calhoun, and this year we're on top.
We're Wallace State, and this year we're taking it all.
All right, everyone, welcome to Greenville, South Carolina. Greenville Tech. All right, everybody's awake and ready to compete here in the first of the regionals of the Advanced Manufacturing for Project MFG. All right, is everybody ready to start competing? All right, let's go.
The theme this year is robotics.
It is very much how machining is going to progress.
Taking away these mundane tasks that we have to do, like deburring parts, stuff like that, really frees up time for people to optimize the processes and make manufacturing cost less for the U.S.
You still need that laborsome guy. It's just coming the exact same way that I see additive manufacturing kind of knocking on our door in machining.
What we're doing today is building part of that final project. So what they're doing at the regionals, that'll be moved on to the finals, and then it'll be assembled. This year, we're grading the project on 4 main areas. The main one we're grading on is machining and accuracy of the part. The second one is cost. The third one is teamwork and work ethic. And the fourth one is additive manufacturing.
This competition really covers all the areas that makes a machinist a machinist. Programming, process of elimination, thinking through ways to grab your part, how to hold your part.
The other teams are doing it like this. Instead of machining a curved and concave surface on one side and then bolting it to that curved and concave surface, we have a flat surface meeting with flats. So it will sit and then we'll bolt it around.
Right now we're double checking all our tools, and so we 3D printed some tags, correspond with our tool list. It eliminates any confusion on getting tools mixed up.
I'm the lead programmer for our team, and my job is to take a 3D model, program tool paths, and allow the machine to cut as fast as possible.
There's a lot of things you have to think through before you just go in and start hitting buttons. You really have to manage your time. Y'all clock out. Hey, right here. Love y'all guys. Great job. Great job. We're killing it right now. We're ahead of schedule where we were thinking we were gonna be. Couldn't ask for better.
Past 2 years, my little brother was a competitor in Project MFG. He made it all the way to Nationals, and he competed with our now current instructor.
Project MFG has helped the machining program to push our limits. We are investing in different tools and new technology to keep up with this competition.
This is a 100,000 square foot building, and I know we have hosted Project MFG before here. We know what kind of exposure it has for the students. Coming here, being a part of this regional, and then going maybe to the nationals, winning a cash prize of that type of money will set them up for life, and they really want to go forward for the next 20 years in their career.
So the biggest thing in our area that we've seen with the additive world is a lot of prototyping right now. Whether that be like seeing how a part's being made, or a part going on a CMM to get a program for a CMM fixture, or something like that. That's what's kind of we've been seeing a lot more of. I think this project here with some of the additive stuff into it, I think it fits well together.
In-mill is not fun. It shipped it, so. Yeah, this might slow us down a little bit. We're gonna have to check our program, make sure everything is fine on that. Just try again and see how it goes.
Attaboy. Okay, get that next one ready. I'll clean off the vise. We got it done in, what? I think an hour and 45, something like that. That's not bad.
We broke 4 tools. It's very easy to break an 1/8 end mill. Second time though, we had a 3/8 end mill, which is a lot thicker. It's about that big around. So it's a lot harder to break one of those.
There's nothing else that can get that.
And we can't afford another tool. Something is not right. Something is going wrong. We have to fix this.
I'm hopeful. We only got like 20-ish minutes left. This is the final part.
Can't see it in the program, but when the end mill came down to do a contour pass, looks like it probably bent this arm.
It's gonna be a push, but we should be competitive.
My lord, we were moving. I mean, it was special.
Got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's it. Time's up. Let's get it all cleaned up. Good work, guys.
All right, so we finished all of our parts with 15 minutes to spare, which is this part, the fixture, and 4 other parts. Let's go, let's go.
We didn't get to finish all of our parts, but we got everything else done. It's a very good learning experience.
We didn't get exactly where we wanted to, but we learned a lot along the way.
It'll all come down to the judges, whether they say our tolerances are good, our finishes are good. We're all really happy that we managed to finish.
Metrology, it's a science of measurement. They need to make sure that that part that they manufacture meets the print that was originally written by an engineer. Once those 4 teams bring in their parts, we will judge who made the part that is the most accurate back to the print, and that team will eventually be the one that goes to nationals.
So was it fun? Well, good. You guys did really good. You all stepped up. So now the moment we all been waiting for. We're going to find out who is the winner of the Southeast Regional competition. Only one of you is moving forward to the Nationals for a chance to win $100,000. And the winner is Wallace.
We've been working for this. We've been putting so much time into it. Oh yeah, we got a big shot for that 100 grand. We're taking it all, I'm telling you. We're going to Nationals!
What an incredible display of skill and grit here in the East. Wallace State Community College has earned their place in the national championship, and the road only gets tougher from here. Next up, tune in to episode 2 of Clash of Trades, where we travel out to Henderson, Nevada to see which team from the West will be heading to nationals.